Hello everyone, today is Wednesday, September 21st. I want to cover a little bit on the scalp trades, as well as look at a very interesting type of day where we had a Fed meeting. And if you look closely here where the market is normal leading up to it, this is a good trading environment to be in, where the ATR, the average true range, is 2 points, maybe 3 points, up to 5 points. I always say in most of the videos that we do here at Day Trade to Win that that's a good trading environment to be in. But as soon as the Fed raised the interest rates and the market went ballistic here, you can see that the activity and the range, the volatility, really increased close to about 15 points. And so what that means is that if you are trading during this type of environment, that you have to be very careful because the markets move very fast. Remember, these are 1-minute candles. Now there is an indicator that I do provide for free. It's called the news indicator. You get a trial for it. We include it with most of the programs. And let me just add it here. And it's very easy. What you can do is know in advance when we have news. And so it's called the Day Trade to Win news indicator. You can visit daytradetowin.com, and it's the indicator you see here. It's right on the chart. On top, it tells you exactly when news is going to occur, and this is important. Now, the other thing, besides looking at these signals here for the Trade Scalper, is let's see if we can identify another opportunity. So what I'm going to do here is add the Day Trade to Win Atlas line. Again, proprietary software for trading. I'm going to add here the Atlas line, and I don't have to do too much configuration to it. It's just my time zone, which is the New York time zone. And the idea here is if the price is trading below the Atlas line, we're going to focus on short trades. And so what you see here for today is for most of the day, even leading up to the news event, the price, the candles are all below the Atlas line. It's indicating that the market is in a sell type of environment, looking for sell opportunities. And that's exactly what we did here today at Day Trade to Win. Now in the morning, you can see here there was opportunities to be a buyer, and you can see above the Atlas line we're going to be a buyer. But as soon as it crossed below the Atlas line, it was just sell after sell after sell, especially here when the market drop dramatically. So let's find out what's going to happen tomorrow. I'll put out more of these videos. Just taking a look at price action using price action based software. If you'd like to join the next mentorship class, visit daytradetowin.com. We include all the courses and software, and sign up for a free member account where you can get to learn some free methods and free software with a free member account. Until next time, my name is John Paul. Good trading. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit daytradetowin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.